Alright YouTube, got the front axle here. It's flipped upside down. Trying to roll it, get it staged to roll out the gate. And got these Johnny joints kind of welded in. Can't see, like a little small half-inch, quarter-inch, however big that is. Welds, 3 of them on both sides, on this side and that side. So yeah, I gotta wheel it out. I was messing around with it and ended up dropping it. Chipped a nice chunk, out of my new concrete because it fell over, because the jack stand fell over. But yeah, I'm going to try and get this out the gate and get it ready. I wish I could flip the Comanche around so I could be working on the front up towards the garage. So I might try to figure that out. But I'll bring you back when we get closer to installing this thing and see what we got to do to make it happen. Alright, we're back. Forgot to film a few things, but we're here at the front of the Comanche, and I've already started ripping, tearing parts off to be able to drop this axle out of here. I got the drag link and tie rod and all that stuff detached from the pitman arm up there. I got the shocks disconnected both sides, got the brake lines both sides. Next will be control arms, and then dropping it out of there and pulling the springs out. And then I don't know if I'll be using these spacers again. Yeah, I really don't know, because I don't think I'll need them, because with that rear axle, like, it's got like an inch or so of lift there, but these ones that were on it, about the same amount, so I might throw those spacers back up under there. But I'm going to use the motorcycle jack to put underneath there. And oh yeah, I got the sway bar disconnected, and then the what's the other thing called? Sway bar, and I forget right now. I can't think. I need food. But the bar that goes from there to the axle. What is that thing called? I can't even remember. But anyway, it'll come to me. But so next I'll be disconnecting these control arms, getting this axle out from underneath here, and then wheeling that other axle out to the front to get it all installed. But I'm gonna go eat, and then I'll get back on it, and yeah, we can see what else we can do. Ow. I put my hand on something, there's a sharp burr. But yeah, we'll get it, and I'll bring you back when we get that other one shoved up under here and kind of connected. I'm going to use those newer adjustable links or control arms, and we'll be good. So I'll bring you back. Alright, we're back. Got the axle rolled out to the front. It was a pain again getting through that gate. I had to move that cardboard and move the garbage cans and fight with it, because Wanted to flip each way. Got the lower control arms out, though. Need to take the uppers out and then roll that thing over here and get it all fitted. It's going to be interesting trying to find the, was it camber? The way the axle, the ball joints, which angle they sit at, I guess. But I got a digital angle finder, so that should help. But yeah, I'm gonna go eat and then get back on it here after a bit, after I've got my energy back and yeah, start feeling better. All right, I'll bring you back. All right, we're back. Got the Johnny joints installed, both sides. Then got the upper and lower control arms in place. Gotta wait to install them before I can tighten this nut. I got them measured off from what I could think. When I looked online, there was some charts, and center of the eyelet to center of the eyelet, found my measurements on both the uppers and lowers, and then popped out the little shock thing. I don't know what you call that thing. Little eye bolt deal. Because on this axle, you use a bolt through here. So I'll have to get those. I think I might have some. But yeah. Now I went to Harbor Freight and bought some wheel dollies. So I'll put them together, jack this axle up, put them underneath the wheels, and then I'll be able to wheel it down alongside and get it into position. So I'll bring you back when I get there, get it up under there and start getting it hooked up. Okay, got the axle up under here. Still got lots to do. Got these keepers in here. There's a spider floating around. Still got to tighten all the bolts for the control arms. Had to disconnect the shock from up there to get it down here, because for whatever reason it's kind of angled. Got to find the what you call it, caster is what it's called, not camber. Got to do brakes, and then have a drive shaft made and do steering. I might take this drag link off and try to straighten it out because it's all bent up over there, and then I think it's not supposed to be all bent up. It might be. Then put the what's that thing called again? Track bar. This is what I was looking for earlier. On. Hopefully it doesn't come into contact with the upper part of the truss. And then brake lines. Yeah, brakes. I'm gonna clean these rotors off. I think I can reuse them. A lot of sanding and prep. But yeah, we're done with this for now. I'll do all the little tweaking stuff with the caster angle and stuff later, and then we'll move on. So, till next time, y'all take care now.